Next one is called as the redundancy. Here the question arises how the receiving side identifies whether the sending data is corrupted or not. For that one, the sender has to attach an extra bits to the data. Such extra bits are actually called as redundant bits. To detect some errors or to remove some errors, the sender adds extra bits, that is called as redundant bits, to the data. Actually, these redundant bits are created by using the data. These redundant bits are added by the sender to the data and send it to the receiver side. The receiver receives the data and these redundant bits and identifies whether the data is corrupted or not. Once he received the data is not corrupted, he just remove that redundant bits from the data and send it that data to the computer. This redundant bits allows the receiver to detect or correct the corrupted bits. This diagram explains how actually the redundancy will be done. This part is called as the sender part and this part is actually called as receiving part. At the sender part, it takes the data and with the help of some generating functions, it will create a redundant bits here. For each different data, it will create a different redundant bits. That is depending on this program. Once the redundant bits is created, it is attached with the data and send it to the destination here. At the destination, he is also using checking function. At the checking function, he has the same program. It will calculate the redundant bits on these same data received by the sender and calculate the redundant bits. Whatever the calculated redundant bits is compared with these transmitted redundant bits. Means the sender redundant is compared with the receiving redundant bits. If both are matching, that indicates the data is not corrupted here and this redundant part is removed. When you are comparing the redundants, if there is no match, this data is corrupted. That is identified by here. So what is the need of this redundancy actually? When you are transmitting the data to the sender, if the data is not received correctly, this data packet has to be retransmitted from the sender. So attaching a small redundant bit is better than retransmitting the entire data packets. So that for that one we are using redundancy.